Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha and I vlog over at Dumbbells and Delights. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Today I'm going to be sharing about my travel essentials, items that I must have with me when I go on a trip. Over the years, I've traveled long haul trips. I mean, on the bus, on the plane. And late last year, it got more intense. So I've been to Swaziland, Durban, Harare, and I've got two major trips coming up very soon. Maybe by the time you watch this video, I'll have already been back from my two trips. So I'm just sharing with you the stuff I really have to have with me. So starting off, we will go with hygiene. I have hand sanitizer with me. Because of the limitations on the plane, I carry this 50 mils. It's also nice, compact, fits in my carry-on luggage very easily. Hand sanitizer is a must. Planes can be gross, and also the fact that you don't have access to running water is just makes you feel safer to know that you've got some hand sanitizer with you. Then I also have wet wipes. I normally have a smaller packet, but this is what I have right now at home. Wet wipes, I like these. I tend to buy the baby wipes because then I can use them for my face, for my underarms, and for my hands. If you're gonna be on a long haul flight, long haul bus trip, then you know you're gonna be a bit stanky. So you just want to make sure you're nice and clean and fresh when you get off on your trip. So baby wipes, you can get any kind, and what I love is that there's also travel size packs which will save you on space. Then tissue paper. If I'm traveling on the bus or car ride, I also pack with me an actual toilet roll, so that I'm prepared for anything that might go down. But generally these work just fine for me. Sticking with hygiene, you know a girl's gotta have fresh breath. So I use this Easy Flossers from Gum Sunstar, which I love these because they have fluoride. And you can find out more about them in my oral routine video. They come with this cute travel pack, which you can just put in your makeup bag or in your small carry-on luggage. I do also use the soft pics, same again from Gum Sunstar. They do as well come with a travel pack. So if I'm going on a long trip, I'll have both of them in my luggage. Then, because the air is dry on the plane, I've cleaned my hands with hand sanitizer. I get hand lotion. One trip I actually forgot to pack lotion, and hand lotion was sufficient enough because 50 mils, that's quite a lot. Then hydration. I carry with me a water bottle. I love this one. I got it from Holland Jura. I have another video up there. It's a retractable bottle, so you just do that, put your water in, and then when your water is finished, you retract it again and you close it. You can clip this onto your bag, so it's not really in your bag, you know, so it saves you lots of space because it retracts and you can hang it on the outside of your bag. Then for my lips, the air is dry. I've been drinking water, I've hydrated my hands. I use this lip balm from Letty Balm. I like this because you can use it on your nose. So it's a liquid repair balm for nose and lips. So when I get a little bit of sunburn, because most of my trips have been happening in summertime, I just rub it on. It works. I know it's not for that, but then I find it works. It helps me keep my lips soft, repairs any cracks, any weird things that happen, you know, chapped lips, cracked nose from sunburn. So this I love very much. Then for comfort, I I don't like to wear socks, so I wear these. I don't know what they're called. I know they're not shoes and they're not socks, so they're like sock shoes. I wear these because they're not too tight on my feet. If my feet swell, then at least there's a bit of room. And then to cover my ankles to my knees, I wear my leg warmers. I got this from Leg Avenue. I can link that in the links below. To go to sleep, I have my eye mask. You know, like if you follow me on Instagram, you know I love my sleep. And so this eye mask, it works just well. It covers my face quite well, so I'm able to fall asleep quite easily. If the person next to me has their light on or whatever. Of course, if I'm driving, then I'm not gonna fall asleep. Sticking with comfort, I carry with me some tea. Normally, rooibos works just fine, but sometimes they don't have rooibos, or I've got a flavor I'm loving in that particular season. Like right now, I'm loving this very berry from Higher Living. I got this as a gift, so I wouldn't know where you get them. Maybe Woolworths, I'm not sure. But I like this. It says good feelings flutter at the back there. So I just want to have those good feelings, good vibes. They also have golden turmeric. I haven't tried this one, but I will let you know how it goes. Then you can be at the airport for a long time. Food at the airport can be expensive. So I carry with me some snacks. These are from Biogen. They're just energy high performance bar. I'm not, sometimes I will exercise on my trip, so I'll carry more than one for the trip. These are really for my handbag to eat like while I'm waiting on the plane, but not on my carry-on. While I'm waiting in the airport lounge, just a little treat, naughty but healthy, because it's chocolate, but it's a protein bite. Also from Biogen, and you can get them at discount. Then for technology, I have my Powerbank. It's a very small Powerbank, which helps me with space, but it charges my phone normally. If my phone is like on 1%, it will charge it all the way up to 70%, so that's an advantage. But the last time I took a bus ride, they had a jack to put your USB, so I carry my charger with me, and then I just plug in my USB cable. Sometimes I will not carry my actual Samsung USB. I'll carry a different type, so that in case if I forget it, I still have my charger at home. But yeah, this is a must-have, because your phone, it could die in a minute. Then entertainment, I do have books on my tablet, but again, I want to save battery, so I'll carry a physical book. I haven't read this book yet, so this will be my next book to read on the trip. I like quite a thin size book, so that I have space in my luggage. This all goes into my carry-on with me. I also carry a magazine with me that I haven't read. At the moment, I've got a lovely collection from Fitness Magazine that I've been getting at their events at Fit Affair. Follow me on Instagram to see how much fun we have at those events. And then, of course, I have my earphones, which right now here they are. Not too far, earphones. So that's everything for technology and entertainment. What do you carry on your trips? What are your main essentials? Yes, for extra comfort, I also have a pillow and a scarf to keep me warm, and of course my jersey, but then I'm always wearing a jersey. I didn't think to add that as a comfort item because it's something that I always have. It's like underwear, I'll always have my underwear on. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a good one, and let me know what you think about this video. If you would like some more videos with travel tips, travel hacks, be on the lookout for that. Yeah, and have a good day.